Stop right there before you spend another dime. The small coins hiding in your pocket, coin jar, or old collection could be worth far more than you ever imagined. Today, we're taking a closer look at two of the most collectible dimes in American history, the legendary Mercury Dime and the Roosevelt Dime. While millions of these coins were made, a few rare dates, mint marks, era varieties, and high-grade examples have become highly sought after by collectors. In today's video, you'll learn what makes these dimes special, which years are the most desirable, the rare eras to watch for, and the hidden details that can dramatically affect a coin's value. So don't skip a single second, because the next coin we discuss might already be sitting in your collection. Check your change, grab your coins, and let's discover whether you're holding an ordinary dime or a hidden. Imagine opening an old coin box that has been sitting untouched for decades, only to discover that one small silver coin could be worth far more than you ever expected. The coin you see today is the legendary 1925 Mercury Dime, one of the most collected classic American coins ever produced. While many people overlook this tiny dime because of its size, experienced collectors know that the right 1925 example can command impressive prices. But how do you know if your coin is just an ordinary silver dime or a hidden treasure? Stay with me until the end, because we're going to uncover every important detail that can make this coin truly valuable. The 1925 Mercury Dime was minted during a fascinating period in American history. The United States was experiencing the excitement of the Roaring Twenties, and this beautiful silver coin was circulating through businesses, banks, and the hands of millions of Americans every single day. Today, nearly a century later, many of these coins have disappeared through circulation, melting, or damage, making high-quality examples increasingly difficult to find. Although many people call it the Mercury Dime, the design does not actually show the Roman god Mercury. Instead, it features Lady Liberty wearing a winged cap, symbolizing freedom of thought. This elegant design was created by sculptor Adolf A. Weinman and remains one of the most admired designs in American coin history. Even after decades, collectors continue to admire the artistic beauty of this classic silver coin. The 1925 Mercury Dime is made from 90% silver and 10% copper, weighs 2.5 grams, and measures 17.9 millimeters across. Because it contains real silver, every genuine example has an intrinsic metal value, but the collectible value often depends much more on rarity, preservation, and collector demand than on the silver content itself. The next thing every collector checks is the mint mark. A coin without a mint mark was struck in Philadelphia. A small D represents Denver, while an S indicates San Francisco. Each mint produced different numbers of coins, and some mint mark combinations are much scarcer than others. Knowing where your coin was struck is one of the first steps toward understanding its potential value. Now let's talk about condition, because condition is everything in coin collecting. If Liberty's hair details remain sharp, the wings on the cap are well defined, and the lettering is crisp, your coin may be worth significantly more than a heavily worn example. Coins with original mint luster and minimal wear are always in greater demand among serious collectors. One feature that collectors especially search for is known as full bands. On the reverse side of the Mercury Dime, the fasces has horizontal bands tied around it. If those bands are completely separated and sharply struck, the coin may qualify for the desirable full bands designation. Coins with this feature are much scarcer and often sell for much higher prices than ordinary examples of the same date. Mint errors are another reason why some 1925 Mercury Dimes become highly collectible. Collectors carefully search for doubled dies, off-center strikes, clipped planchets, die cracks, lamination errors, and other unusual mint-made characteristics. A genuine mint error can dramatically increase collector interest and may make the coin much more valuable than a normal example. One of the biggest mistakes people make is cleaning an old silver coin. While a polished coin may look brighter, cleaning usually removes the original surface that collectors value most. Even light cleaning can reduce a coin's desirability and lower its market value. If you believe you have a special Mercury Dime, it's almost always better to leave it in its original condition. If your coin appears unusually well preserved or shows a rare variety or mint error, professional authentication and grading can be an excellent next step. Certified coins are easier to buy and sell because collectors have confidence in their authenticity and condition. Professional grading also provides long-term protection for valuable coins. Auction results over the years have shown that exceptional 1925 Mercury dimes can sell for impressive amounts, especially those with outstanding preservation, full bands, or important mint eras. However, not every 1925 Mercury dime is worth a fortune. Its actual value depends on factors such as the mint mark, condition, strike quality, originality, rarity, and current collector demand. This is exactly why experienced collectors never ignore old coin jars, inherited collections, estate sales, or forgotten family albums. Valuable coins often remain hidden for decades simply because no one realizes what they are looking at. A careful inspection with a magnifying glass can sometimes reveal details that completely change a coin's value. The 1925 Mercury dime remains one of the most iconic silver coins in American numismatic history. Its timeless design, silver composition, historical significance, and strong collector demand continue to make it a favorite among beginners and advanced collectors alike. If you own one of these classic dimes, take the time to examine every detail carefully. You may discover that what appears to be an ordinary old coin is actually one of the most fascinating pieces in your collection. Have you ever imagined that a tiny 2008 Roosevelt dime with a Philadelphia P mint mark could be hiding in your pocket right now, quietly waiting to surprise you with a value far beyond its face value? Most people spend these coins without a second thought, but experienced collectors know that certain 2008 Philadelphia mint dimes have become highly desirable because of their condition, rare mint-made errors, and exceptional preservation. Before you spend another dime, take a close look at every 2008 P Roosevelt dime you find. One small detail could make an ordinary-looking coin far more valuable than just 10 cents. The first thing to understand is that not every 2008 P Roosevelt dime is rare. Millions were struck for circulation, so a typical circulated example is usually worth only face value. However, the story changes completely when the coin is found in brilliant uncirculated condition with strong original luster, no wear, and very few contact marks. Collectors compete for the finest known examples, and as the grade increases, so does the value. Coins certified in top mint state grades by professional grading services can sell for many times their face value because finding flawless modern coins is much harder than most people realize. Now examine the mint mark carefully. On the 2008 Roosevelt dime, the small P appears on the obverse just above the date. This tiny letter tells you the coin was produced at the Philadelphia Mint. While the mint mark itself does not automatically make the coin valuable, it is the starting point for identifying varieties, errors, and collectible examples. Always use a magnifying glass and proper lighting because small details often separate an ordinary coin from a collector's prize. One of the biggest reasons collectors search through rolls of 2008 P dimes is the possibility of mint errors. A coin with an off-center strike, broad strike, clipped planchet, die crack, die chip, struck through error, or dramatic misalignment can attract strong interest from collectors. These errors occurred during the minting process and are different from damage caused after the coin entered circulation. Genuine mint errors are usually much more desirable than coins that have simply been scratched, bent, or damaged. Another feature to inspect is the coin's surface. Look closely for deep, uninterrupted luster that flows across the fields as the coin is tilted under a light. Original mint luster is one of the first things experienced collectors notice. A 2008 P Roosevelt dime with clean surfaces, sharp details, and brilliant eye appeal can command a premium, especially if it has never been cleaned or altered. Cleaning often leaves tiny hairline scratches that reduce a coin's value, so collectors generally prefer completely original surfaces. Pay close attention to the strike quality. Roosevelt's hair, the ear, the lettering, and the torch on the reverse should all display crisp details. Weakly struck coins are common in some modern issues, but sharply struck examples are more desirable. Strong details combined with excellent preservation create the kind of coin that grading companies reward with higher mint state grades, increasing collector demand and market value. If you discover unusual doubling on the date, lettering, or design elements, do not rush to spend the coin. True double die varieties are created during the die-making process and can be collectible. They should not be confused with machine doubling, which usually adds little or no premium. A magnifying glass or digital microscope can help you inspect the coin carefully before making any decisions. Another important factor is the coin's color and originality. Bright white, natural surfaces with full mint frost are often preferred by collectors. If the coin still looks fresh from the mint with no signs of circulation, it may deserve closer examination. Even among modern coins, exceptional preservation is surprisingly uncommon because most enter circulation immediately after leaving the mint. Many beginning collectors overlook the edge of the coin. A Roosevelt dime should have well-formed reeded edges. If the edge appears unusual, missing reeds, or shows an abnormal appearance caused during production, the coin may deserve further inspection. Although such errors are uncommon, they are exactly the type of discoveries that excite error coin collectors and can increase interest in a specific piece. If you believe your 2008 Roosevelt dime is special, avoid polishing or cleaning it. Even gentle cleaning can permanently reduce collector value. Instead, store the coin in a protective holder and compare it with known examples. If the coin appears to have a significant mint error or unusually high quality, professional authentication and grading may help establish its condition and authenticity, making it easier to sell if you ever choose to do so. The market for modern U.S. coins continues to grow because collectors enjoy searching everyday pocket change for hidden treasures. While most 2008 Philadelphia Roosevelt dimes are common, the finest certified examples and genuine mint-era coins can bring impressive premiums compared with their face value. The key is knowing exactly what to look for and recognizing the difference between true mint-made characteristics and ordinary wear or damage. So before you spend another Roosevelt dime, slow down and inspect every 2008 coin that passes through your hands. The next dime you find could have exceptional luster, a high-grade strike, or genuine mint error that makes collectors take notice. Coin collecting rewards patience, careful observation, and knowledge. The smallest coin in your pocket may turn out to be one of the most exciting discoveries in your collection, proving that valuable treasures can still be hiding in everyday change. The 1925 Mercury Dime with a D mint mark is one of those historic coins that could be hiding a surprising story and significant collector value. Before you ever spend or ignore a 1925 Mercury Dime, you need to know what makes this coin special. A small silver dime from nearly a century ago may look ordinary at first glance, but certain examples can become highly valuable treasures because of rarity, condition, mint mark, and collector demand. The Mercury Dime series is one of the most admired designs in American coin history. Officially known as the Winged Liberty Head Dime, this beautiful coin was produced from 1916 to 1945 and designed by the famous sculptor Adolf A. Weinman. The design features Liberty wearing a winged cap on the obverse, which many people mistake for the Roman god Mercury, giving the coin its popular nickname. On the reverse, you will find a fasces with an olive branch, representing strength and peace. Now let's talk about the 1925 Mercury Dime with the D mint mark. The small letter D tells collectors that this coin was struck at the Denver Mint. Mint marks are extremely important in coin collecting because they reveal where coin was produced and can help determine its rarity. The Denver Mint produced fewer examples of many early Mercury dimes compared with other facilities, making certain Denver issues much more desirable among collectors. The first thing every collector should check is the condition of the coin. Condition is one of the biggest factors that determines value. A heavily worn 1925 D Mercury dime may have a lower value, but a coin with sharp details, original silver surfaces, and excellent eye appeal can be worth much more. Coins that have survived nearly 100 years in exceptional condition are rare because most were lost, damaged, or heavily circulated. Look carefully at the details of Liberty's face, the winged cap, and the lettering on the obverse. On the reverse, collectors examine the fasces, the bands around it, and the olive branch. A strong strike with clear details is highly desirable. The more detail a coin preserves, the more attractive it becomes to serious collectors. Another reason the 1925 Mercury Dime attracts attention is its silver content. These coins were made from 90% silver and 10% copper, which gives them historical and precious metal appeal. However, collectors usually value rare dates, mint marks, and high-grade examples far above their basic silver value. A coin's story, rarity, and condition often matter much more than just the metal inside. When searching for a valuable 1925 Mercury Dime, collectors also look for original surfaces. A coin that has never been cleaned or artificially altered is usually more desirable. Cleaning can leave scratches and damage the natural appearance of the silver. Original luster, natural tunning, and a clean surface can make a major difference when collectors evaluate a coin. You should also inspect the coin for possible mint errors or unusual characteristics. Some Mercury dimes can have interesting production mistakes, such as die cracks, planchet issues, or striking problems. Genuine mint errors created during the manufacturing process can increase collector interest because each error makes the coin unique. The mint mark itself deserves a close look. The D mint mark is located on the reverse side of the coin near the bottom area, beside the design elements. Because small details can sometimes be difficult to see on worn coins, using a magnifying glass can help you identify the mint mark clearly and avoid missing an important discovery. Many people underestimate old silver dimes because of their small size, but collectors know that size does not determine importance. Some of the most valuable coins in history are small coins that were produced in limited numbers or survived in exceptional condition. The 1925 Mercury Dime is a perfect example of how a tiny piece of metal can carry decades of history and collector excitement. If you discover a 1925 Mercury Dime, do not clean it, polish it, or try to improve its appearance. These actions can reduce collector interest. Instead, protect the coin in a safe holder and examine it carefully. If it appears to have strong details, unusual features, or exceptional condition, professional grading may help determine its true collectible status. The value of a 1925 Mercury Dime depends on many factors, including grade, originality, rarity, and demand among collectors. Common circulated examples may have modest value, while high-grade coins with beautiful preservation can attract serious attention and sell for significantly higher prices. The greatest treasures are usually found by people who know what details to search for. The exciting world of coin collecting is built on discoveries like this. A coin that once passed through countless hands could still be sitting inside an old collection, a forgotten drawer, or a family coin jar. The 1925 Mercury Dime is not just an old 10-cent piece. It is a piece of American history that connects collectors to the past. So the next time you discover an old Mercury Dime, especially a 1925 with a D mint mark, take a closer look before putting it aside. Check the condition, study the details, and remember that